Hi, I'm Mike Cash from the U.S. Customer Center Technical Support. Today, we're going to discuss how to adjust the rotation speed on a DM45 rotary head motor. With the engine running at full throttle, the operator would stroke the main pump to full stroke. The technician would use 2 3/8 wrenches to loosen the volume stop screws on the motor and remove the nut cover. Hold the jam nut while changing the adjustment and turn inward on the lower volume stop screw until the speed is reflected at the spindle that you want. When you have the speed that you want, lock your jam nut, reinstall your cover. Tighten the cover, and on the top volume stop, turn inward until it touches and lock the jam nut. Reinstall your cover nut and tighten. For more information, contact your Epiroc service center or dealer.